What if you could live in a home where every room is customized to your exact preferences, where technology anticipates your every need, and where sustainability is built into every design? Imagine living in a house where the walls change color with your mood, where your furniture adjusts automatically for comfort, and where your home is completely in tune with the environment. Does that sound like a dream? Well, it's the future of luxury homes, and it's happening right now. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 future luxury homes designed by famous architects, where simplicity, innovation, and elegance take center stage. Get ready to explore homes that combine futuristic design, sustainability, and a focus on wellness, creating the ultimate living experience. So let's get started. 1. The Glass House by Norman Foster, London, England. Norman Foster, one of the most respected architects in the world, is known for his cutting-edge designs that redefine modern architecture. His upcoming Glass House is an example of how future luxury homes will prioritize transparency, light, and an open connection with nature. Located in central London, this house will feature floor-to-ceiling glass walls, offering unobstructed views of the skyline while maintaining total privacy. The minimalist design will include eco-friendly elements like solar panels and a rainwater collection system. Inside, the home will have spacious, open-plan layouts with smart home systems integrated throughout. From the lighting to the temperature control, everything will be adaptable to the owner's preferences, creating an effortless living experience. Foster's focus on sleekness and simplicity, combined with the latest technology, will make this property one of the most luxurious and sustainable homes in the world. The Glass House is designed with a special feature: a central courtyard surrounded by greenery, providing a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. The seamless connection between indoors and outdoors will promote wellness, offering a serene environment in the middle of urban life. As luxury homes evolve, this project represents the future of design, where beauty, simplicity, and sustainability come together. 2. The Hypermodern Mansion by Zaha Hadid, Dubai, UAE. Known for her bold and futuristic designs, the late Zaha Hadid's legacy continues through her iconic projects, including the Hypermodern Mansion in Dubai. This mansion, still in the planning stages, will be an architectural wonder that pushes the boundaries of what we consider a home. Its sleek, flowing forms will mimic the movement of water, incorporating smooth curves and organic shapes into the structure. With its futuristic design, the mansion will feature cutting-edge technology, from intelligent climate control to state-of-the-art security systems. The building will incorporate materials such as glass, steel, and carbon fiber, which not only add to the aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to the home's energy efficiency. The mansion will include multiple levels of retractable walls that allow for seamless transitions between the interior and outdoor spaces. A highlight of the design will be a massive infinity pool that blends into the desert landscape, offering unparalleled views of the Dubai sky. The home will be powered by sustainable energy sources, ensuring that it's both luxurious and eco-friendly. Hadid's design philosophy will ensure that this home is not just a place to live, but an experience in itself, combining art, technology, and nature. The Hypermodern Mansion will also boast an integrated smart home system that learns the homeowner's preferences over time. It will automatically adjust the environment to ensure comfort, optimizing lighting, temperature, and even air quality throughout the day. This mansion won't just be a home, it will function as a smart, intuitive space that anticipates the needs of its inhabitants. As a result, the mansion will set a new standard in Dubai's luxury property market, where innovation and elegance are intertwined. 3. The Vertical Oasis by Jark Ingels, New York City, USA. Jark Ingels, the Danish architect behind some of the world's most innovative buildings, is planning to transform the skyline of New York City into the Vertical Oasis. This towering luxury apartment building will blend sustainability with modernity, featuring vertical gardens that wrap around the entire structure. This green approach will help reduce the building's carbon footprint while adding beauty to the cityscape. The apartments within the building will be designed with open, airy layouts that create a sense of space, even in the heart of the world's busiest cities. Each apartment will be customized, allowing residents to choose their finishes and layouts. In addition, the building will include a rooftop garden with panoramic views of the city and the Hudson River, providing residents with a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. As part of his commitment to sustainability, Ingalls will integrate advanced eco-technologies like smart water management and energy-efficient systems into the design. The vertical oasis will not only redefine luxury living, but also set a new standard for how buildings can coexist with the environment. The design will feature solar panels, smart lighting, and other eco-friendly technologies to ensure that the building operates efficiently while minimizing its environmental impact. One of the most unique features of this building will be the interactive spaces throughout, which will encourage social interaction and community engagement. The vertical oasis will be designed to foster collaboration, creativity, and wellness, creating a perfect blend of modern city living and a sense of tranquility. The architectural elements will enhance the natural flow of energy within the building, offering residents the ultimate luxury experience. 4. The Sustainable Luxury Home by Frank Gehry, Los Angeles, USA. Renowned architect Frank Gehry, famous for his deconstructivist architecture, is working on a sustainable luxury home in Los Angeles that blends his signature chaotic style with cutting-edge sustainability features. This home will incorporate materials such as reclaimed wood, recycled steel, and natural stone, creating a striking balance between modernism and nature. Gehry's design will feature sharp angles and bold geometries, giving the house an artistic and dynamic look. What makes this home truly stand out is its eco-conscious approach. The house will be fully self-sufficient, with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and a green roof that helps with insulation. Inside, the home will boast energy-efficient appliances, smart lighting systems, and an air purification system that ensures the air quality is always optimal. The outdoor areas will feature a lush garden, a large swimming pool, and multiple terraces for enjoying the beautiful environment. Gehry's sustainable luxury home will prove that it's possible to create an iconic, architecturally significant residence while prioritizing environmental responsibility. This home will serve as a model for future luxury homes, demonstrating how aesthetics and sustainability can coexist harmoniously. Gehry's design will also take into account the surrounding landscape, ensuring that the home blends seamlessly with its natural environment. The outdoor space will feature various sustainable features like green walls, edible gardens, and eco-friendly lighting, allowing the residents to live in complete harmony with nature. The house will not only be a place of refuge, but also a living example of sustainable architecture that promotes a healthier and more responsible way of living. 5. The Floating Mansion by Vincent Kalbach, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Vincent Kalbach is known for his visionary designs that explore the intersection of architecture and the environment. His floating mansion in Amsterdam is one of the most ambitious projects in the realm of sustainable luxury. Designed as a floating structure, this home will rise and fall with the tides of the river, creating a dynamic relationship between the building and its surroundings. This floating mansion will feature renewable energy sources such as solar panels, wind turbines, and geothermal heat to ensure that the home has minimal environmental impact. The design will be futuristic, with sleek, organic shapes and expansive glass windows that offer 360-degree views of the water. The home will also be a sanctuary for nature, with rooftop gardens, water features, and terraces that allow residents to connect with the environment. Inside, the mansion will include high-end amenities like an infinity pool, a personal spa, and a fully equipped fitness center. Kalbach's commitment to sustainability and luxury will be evident in every detail, and the materials used to be innovative design features that will make this floating mansion one of the most exclusive homes in the world. The floating mansion will have a unique modular design, allowing it to be easily adapted to different environmental conditions. This makes it not only a beautiful and luxurious space, but also a resilient structure that can withstand changing tides and weather conditions. The mansion will be the epitome of futuristic living, where innovation and nature come together to create a one-of-a-kind living experience. There you have it, folks. 5 of the most stunning and futuristic luxury homes designed by world-renowned architects. Each of these homes represents the cutting edge of architectural design, blending technology, sustainability, and luxury in ways we've never seen before. Whether it's Frank Gehry's sustainable retreat or Jarking's vertical oasis, these homes are reshaping the future of living. What do you think of these incredible homes? Would you want to live in one of them? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.